If you've ever dreamed of starting a successful career as a virtual assistant but didn't know where or how to start, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing my journey, why I started this channel, and how I can help you build a career as a virtual assistant. My name is Salom and I'm a professional hairstylist, but life took a negative turn when I had an accident that severely injured my back, and standing for long hours were no longer an option, right? And so I had to think of a new career path, and that was when I thought of virtual assistant. My journey wasn't easy. In the beginning, I didn't even have a laptop. Yeah, I did not even have a laptop. I had to take all my courses on my phone. Okay, I took all my courses, worked on all my assignments, submitted all my deliverables and all my milestones on my phone. Poor internet connection also did not make it easy for me to attend live lectures, so I mostly had to rely on the recorded versions. And the disadvantage with that is that you can't, or you don't have the ability to even ask questions in real time into topics or subjects that you do not understand very well. But I didn't let that stop me. I kept pushing, and just a month before I graduated, I landed my first job as a virtual admin assistant to one of the biggest tech content creators in Ghana, which I'm super excited about. And then I went ahead to land other virtual assistant jobs, freelancing gigs, project management jobs, and also started a new digital marketing company with my friend called Her Digital Edge. Super excited. You guys should check us out on LinkedIn. Okay, we have a business page on LinkedIn, and we launched this year in January, and trust me, we are bringing serious changes into the industry. So you guys should watch out for us. That's just by the way. The reason why I am excited and passionate about this channel, right, is because I know firsthand how overwhelming it can be to start a career as a virtual assistant, which is why I'm super excited and passionate about this new channel. Because when I started, I had no idea where to look for resources or how to afford some of the courses that I was seeing, right? Luckily, I found courses, but even there, I faced a lot of roadblocks, like age restrictions that limited my options, right? Which I think is super unfair, but I mean, who am I to judge? The platform owners have their own reasons, or the course owners had their own reasons for whatever regulations they've put there, right? But I feel like everybody deserves a fair chance, which is why I created this channel in the first place. My goal is to make this journey easier for you than it was for me. Okay, now what do you expect to get from this channel? On VA Hacks with E, you'll find everything you need to kickstart and grow your VA career, okay, including educational content for aspiring and entry-level virtual assistants, productivity and software tools for VAs, but it's not limited to just this. Okay, there are a lot more I'll be sharing templates with you, like everything. We'll be learning everything from your Google Workspace to your CRM software, to everything you need to know to become an effective and excellent virtual assistant will be on this channel. Will be put on this channel free of charge. All you have to do is to go through the courses, to go through the content, and study and follow the guidelines. Okay, the templates will be shared with you. You copy them, and then you make your own copy of them, and then edit them to your liking and use them. Okay, you practice with them and everything. My aim is for us to grow together. As I'm growing, you're also growing with me, and I'll be here to answer every question and any question you have in regards to everything. The questions I wasn't able to ask during the live courses, the live lectures, because of bad network connection. You put them in the comment section. Yours, you just have to put them in the comment section and I'll come back and answer them to you. You can even send me a direct message and I'll answer all your questions, whatever they may be, provided they are related to the topic at hand, right? Yeah, my mission here is to create content that is engaging, practical, and packed with real value. Okay, so if you are ready to start this VA journey or take your skills to the next level, then please hit the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you know when I post new content, and also share with your loved ones. Okay, see, everybody can be a VA. Okay, even the most, like, there's something in here for everybody. Okay, so share the content with everybody, your friends, your colleagues, everybody. Okay, and I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment and let me know what VA related topics you're most excited to learn about. And don't miss my next video, because I'll be sharing who and what exactly a virtual assistant is and what makes an excellent virtual assistant. You wouldn't want to miss it. See you soon on VA Hacks with E.